Hi all, very good morning to EST folks and a very good evening to Indian folks who are watching my channel once again on Chimpanzee Charts. Sorry I can't be able to upload video yesterday. Today I'm coming in so we can have a fresh look into the charts. Even though I think Indian markets are closed, probably we can check about my prediction which I did on Thursday. So and we can cross verify whether it happened correctly or not. So coming back to our crypto king BTC USDT. So hope everyone can see my screen. Let's see if we have any viewers waiting here. As of now, zero. So let's start. Okay, as I was keep on saying, from last 26th July 2021, BTC. Uh, Sorry guys, BTC pushed above 4500, and one more thing is like it is literally closed above 4500, so that is one of the good sign, and we are having a small correction, that is okay. As I was saying, uh, like on Thursday's video as well as on all those things. On Thursday's video, if you would have noticed my BTC stuff, I was expecting a small correction. Okay, that happened and it got supported by ATMA. Okay, so that should happen. Why? Because if you are in a bull market, so this ATMA needs to get supported, and it will give more confidence for the traders. Okay, since we got this first level of confidence where this ATMA crossed about 34 and 50, and it broke through all the uh, resistance, and it acted as a support. Suppose if you see here, it is like 36,777 was one of the resistance, but it acted as a support. Again on the next day, it closed above that resistance where it acted as a support, and for consecutively for 2 days it closed above the Bollinger Band. So these are some bullish things where people watch and they can trade across to make sure that we are going up. So right now in the next few days of time, I'm expecting BTC to go at least 44 452 200 EMA. That is one of the main resistance we need to break to make sure we are into a bull market after like 3 months of time, not a bull market, after 3 months of time. Sorry guys, so I'm having a sick throat, so bear with me, apologies for that. So right now we are at 44 446. So this is not a panicking candle. So uh, if there is a correction, let it happen. But one good thing we need to watch is like now BTC is trading above the Ichimoku red cloud. Okay, so what is happening is like Ichimoku is turning into green. Okay, so this is also one of the good sign, and lagging moving averages has been crossed. So so there are a lot of good signs we are getting that BTC is going up, and if we break above 44 430, and if BTC try to act this resistance as a support for 2 days or 3 days, that is well and good. And I'm once we done those kind of stuffs, I'm seeing a target of 47063 for BTC in next 2 or 10 days of time. So that is with respective to BTC. Okay, if you guys watched my last video, like I would have predicted on Solana and all those stuff, Solana, BNB, and all those things. Let's watch BNB today. What happened? Okay, so BNB USDT. Okay, I would have told on Thursday. Okay, whenever this congested moving averages, whenever this ATMA try to cross this congested moving averages, I am seeing a first target of 334. That is what it happened today. Okay, BNB exactly touched this horizontal resistance. That is a very good sign. It at last touched this first resistance, we need some more volume, little bit volume, but our RSI is not like over, but it's on 57. It's okay. If I think if we close above this resistance, if I say exactly, it's happening almost like after few days of time, like 22 June. It's happening after like 50 days. Okay, this is happening. Maybe I can exactly calculate whether it closed above around 39 days of time. This is happening. So a price which is below this price, a price which is trying to cross over like 40 days or something like that, it's kind of a bullish sign. Okay, so we need some more days to get confirmed, but it tried to break this 334. I didn't adjusted this after our Thursday discussion, so this is a very good sign. We need to see how, since it is weekend. Okay, whatever volume is coming on into BTC, if a volume comes more, that lot of pumps can happen. And you can see here Ichimoku is trying to turn into green, so this is also one of the good sign. So next is like we can move to Solana USDT pair. Okay, on Thursday, it's like on 28th of July, we were discussing that. On 29th, I believe 29th of July, when I was having my live video, the price was like around 28.40. Okay, so and I exactly told Solana will, there's a chance it can go to 50 EMA, because when I look into multiple Solana charts, that's what I predicted. So immediately after the video, I'm not saying it happened because of my video. I was expecting that move because everywhere we had this push. So Solana tried and it pushed all over the 50 MA. It was a very good profit and it is continuing for last 3 days. So these things are very good. So if it tries to break this resistance and it close above this resistance today, I feel Solana is pumping harder. And the main next resistance for Solana is like horizontal resistance is this one. Let me make it as green. It needs to break this one. Solana needs to break 36.848 to see further upward momentum. As of now, if you have took this trade, we are in a very good percentage. It's like 20% more from last from Thursday to today, from Saturday, from Thursday to Saturday. It's like 2 to 3 days of time. We had like 20% more. It's a very good opportunity to scalp some dollars. Okay, and let me go to ETH. Okay, ETH on Thursday, as I was saying, I'm bullish on ETH. You can go and check the video. I have put in my description as well. In this live description, you can go and see. So I was bullish on ETH. Same thing it happened. It almost closed above the resistance, and again it closed consecutively again yesterday. Now we are getting sell volume. I don't say this is a big impact to it. Anything with respect to BTC happens badly, it can come down. Other than that, I don't see a chance that it can come down drastically. So this is on ETH. Let's go and see Link. Okay, Link is the one where we are covering for whenever we do a chart, we used to cover Link. You can see this move, and I was keep on saying Link is trying to cross this ATMA, is trying to cross this moving averages. Whenever it crosses moving averages, we saw a huge pump. This correction is not a big correction. Okay, people bought more and they don't want to sell there. Most of the people are holding links, and it's a very good bullish candle. Okay, and a Link, it is still, I think we are having around 8 hours of time, so it is just closing above the Bollinger Band. So Link is like it's in bullish pattern. Link. Okay, Let's see ICP STT. ICP. Okay. What happened? See, ICP 8 moving 8 EMA is trying to cross over 50 and 34 is above that. Okay, if it manages to cross over with very good volume, I'm seeing a immediate target of 47.72. So if you take percentage of this, if you're buying now and if you're trying to scalp some trade, it is like 16 percentage trade or 15 percentage trade. Okay, so it's a very good trade, maybe coming in next 2 or 3 days of time. ICP. So this is one thing. Let we move into Litecoin USDT pair. Litecoin, I was saying, yeah, you could have noticed my video. I'm expecting a target of 144. Litecoin hit the target of 144. As you see, this horizontal line was drawn by me during our video. So it just hit at 144, and this you can see this ATMA is trying to cross 34 and 50. We need some volume and some positive energy from BTC to Litecoin to carry away. Okay, if Litecoin has good volume and it is trying to push at least let me draw one more horizontal line. Immediate target will be 153 and one more target if you guys need, this will be somewhat like 172, and next is like 200 EMA. Okay, so we need some little volume and little positive energy from BTC to pump Litecoin to these two ranges, so that will give confidence, and we will eventually be able to cross this 190 or at least get support at 190, not support, get resisted at $190. So this is up to Litecoin. Let me watch Bitcoin Cash USDT pair. So Bitcoin Cash, even though it moved upward, you can see it moved, it crossed above 50 and 34 EMA. It is exactly looking as link chart. I think the Bitcoin Cash can move up to 636. Some positive energy is needed from BTC. Why? Because sarcastic RSI is like for past few days it's like overbought or something like that. But with respect to RSI, I'm okay. So it's not like overbought. So we can rely on RSI this for this time. Okay. So at least 80 or 90 or 100 RSI is like okay. So I'm expecting a push for Bitcoin Cash at least 631 needs to be act as a resistance where we can make a $90 trade for each coin. That is with respect to Bitcoin Cash. So interesting stuff. Excite. So in my previous video, I was discussing about Excite. Okay, and I told you guys like there is a chance of getting reversed. Okay, so the main reverse is like, so this is the place we need to buy like 174 because this is the previous resistance, previous support, and I think there was earning, I believe. So that's the reason it's showing E, but Excite tried to push to middle of Bollinger Band, and I was saying like there are chances of 5 to 6 percentage profit. Let's see how much we got. It's like 4 percentage. Okay. After seeing this video on next day on Friday morning, if you have entered into Excite, you could have made 4 percentage of trade. So this is one thing I want to say in this today's video. Next thing is like ITC. I missed to check ITC on Thursday. Let's see today. Okay, ITC on Thursday or Wednesday, I think I draw this line. See what is happening. So this is what it happens. Okay, unless and otherwise, if we see a support by 200 EMA, this will happen for sure. So this is the line I drew on Wednesday. So try to watch ITC. If it goes below this, don't buy. We need to see a reversal pattern. Either 8 EMA needs to support 200 EMA and it needs to go up. Otherwise 8 EMA needs to cross below this 200 EMA and it needs to come down. Okay, once it comes down, let it come down, and we need to wait where the reversal is happening. Once we get a confirmation, we need to buy it. So this is the pattern for ITC. Let's check Reliance. Okay, Reliance Industries. Mm, Same thing. It is getting supported by 500 EMA. As I was saying on Thursday's video, it closed above 8 EMA, and I was saying I'm bearish on Reliance. Still, I'm bearish on Reliance. It is coming down, and it will come down for next 2 or 3 days. Like, we need to check till Wednesday or Tuesday how the market performance for Reliance. If there is a reversal, it can happen. But if something happens before that, whatever, if ATM tries to cross 200 EMA, I'm seeing a downfall for Reliance for sure. This is with respect to Reliance. Let's see Nifty 50. Nifty 50, again it closed below. Okay, so on 29th it just closed below 80 MA, but this is a bearish candle, and it also closed below 80 MA. We need to see how the next week market is running, but I am little bit bearish on FT as well. So let's see whether we have any chats. I think Kumar has sense of good knowledge. Thank you, Kumar. Please, if you like the channel, kindly subscribe and share with your friends. It will be helpful. Okay, let's go back to our chart. Let's check gold, international gold. Okay, gold. As I was saying, I'm still bullish on gold, even though there is a correction. Since it is Friday, people used to take money and go out of the market. That's what I think it happened. But it closed above this 80 MA, and the previous resistance acted as a support. So I'm expecting gold to push above. Let's see how market comes on Monday. And I was keep on saying last week I'm bullish on gold, and it went all the way to 50 MA, and 50 MA acted as a support. So we need a couple of green candles to, as I was keep on saying last week, we need couple of bullish candles to move the price to 1904, 1908. Okay, at least like 52,000, 10 gram 24 karat gold in Indian price. So that's what we need. So I'm keeping this arrow unless and otherwise we saw a bearish movement and a close below this 80 MA, and I will wait till the 1790 to get supported again, maybe in coming weeks. If this bearish movement is not happening, I am seeing a upward momentum for gold. That is with respect to gold. Whether whoever watching this chart analysis, if you guys need any uh, ticker or something like that, I can try to analyze and help you guys. As I always say, I'm not a financial advisor, so whatever I'm trying to do is like make sure whatever I try to learn all these years, I'm just want to share my knowledge with you guys. So hope that will be helpful. So kindly check these videos and share with your friends. Please subscribe and enable notification, because I used to come on live. So enable notification, and it will be helpful for everyone. Thank you all once again from Chimpanzee Charts. In case of any doubts or any questions, please comment below in this video, and I think we can sign off for this today. Thank you all.